Welcome to Toy Time. Please subscribe.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we have some mini backpacks that we were going to go through and we thought we would invite you to join us. We have our kitty backpack, our dog backpack, our unicorn backpack, and our mermaid backpack. Let's see what's inside. Let's look in this cat bag first. I like how sparkly this bag is. It looks like it kind of changes different colors in the light. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. First we have like a pencil bag that can open. You can put some stuff in there. We also have a cat notebook and a cat sticker. That cat's sleeping. What else is in here? Oh, what is this? Looks like it can open. Oh, it's a pen. Does it work? It sure does. Maybe this can go in our pencil bag. Very nice. What else is in here? Oh, it looks like we have a lunchbox and a water bottle. And it sounds like there's something inside. What could be in here? Oh, it looks like a lunch. What do we have? First is a yummy donut, with all the sprinkles. Looks like, oh no, looks like we have a hamburger and some milk, and we have some popcorn. That looks like a very yummy lunch. Let's put it all back in our bag. Come here. Ooh, I don't know if this will fit in there. We better take this back out. I don't think it will fit. It stands up. There's our cat bag. Let's look inside the dog backpack now. Let's see. What do we have? Maybe we'll just dump this one out. This one's full of good stuff. Alright, first let's look and see what's in this container. This looks like a pencil box. We have our ruler and some different instruments like a compass. Those are great for math. This can go in our pencil box. We have a zipper pouch that we can put stuff in. We have a little notebook with paper and maybe something like it, make it like a clipboard. And we also have some cool heart pencils that you can take off and put on the top. Hi! Oh, and we also have some dog stickers. Do you know who these are? Bluey and Bingo. This is great. We can put so much stuff. Let's put these in our back in here. And zip it closed. Maybe it doesn't want to zip. Can we put it back in our backpack? And our pencil box and our stickers. And then zip our backpack closed. This backpack is ready for school. Now we have our unicorn backpack. I like how sparkly this one is. It has stars all over it. I really like this one. And this one has a cool little zipper right here we could put things in. Let's see what's inside. Unzip. And we'll just dump this one out too. It makes it easier. So in our unicorn backpack, it looks like we have a unicorn notebook with paper in it. And we also have a unicorn eraser. And unicorns love rainbows, don't they? So we have 2 rainbow stickers. Now what's this? This doesn't look like school supplies. Well, maybe this does. This is a little box of tape. We have some other silly things. We have some Campbell's soup. That looks tasty. And some orange Fanta soda. Maybe this is for this person's lunch. We also have Bean Boozled, this jelly bean game. Have you ever played it? It's not very fun, especially if you get the yucky jelly beans. And we have some Hershey's syrup. Tasty. That's silly. What was that doing in this backpack? Come on, let's get back in. We need to go to school. Zip it back up. There's our unicorn backpack. And our last backpack is our mermaid backpack. This one's so fun. I love the tail and how shimmery it is, and it changes colors in the light. And it also looks kind of sparkly. This one also has a little tiny zipper right here that you can put things in. But let's dump this out and see what's inside. Let's get some more good things. Come out, come out. All right. First we have our notebook. There's paper. Oh, somebody's been drawing in this notebook. Can you see that? And this one also has a zipper pouch to put all of our things inside. We also have 2 stickers, a donut sticker and a panda sticker. Which one is your favorite? I think the donut one is. And what does it say? It says, "Who eat my donut? Please tell me." That looks so yummy. Now again, we have more things that don't belong in our backpack. Does salsa belong in our backpack? No, I don't think so, but it's awfully cute. And we have a bag of potato chips. I guess maybe this is their snack if they get hungry. We have some nail polish. That's pretty silly. I don't think we need to be painting our nails at school, but it is a very pretty color. Kind of matches our backpack. And what is this? We have a package. Let's see what's inside. Wow, we've got a gold coin. It looks like there's a dog on it. On the bag, there's a D for dog. Maybe this package belongs to the dog backpack. Maybe we should give it to him, huh? All right, back in the backpack you go. Pack everything back up. Silly, silly. Get in there. Don't take salsa to school. The jar might break and make your backpack all yucky and sticky and stinky. Thanks for going through our backpacks with us. We hope you had as much fun as we did. Which backpack is your favorite? And what item inside was also your favorite? Thanks so much for watching our video. Please subscribe for more fun videos. Have a great day. Bye.